Hi, today I'm reviewing HONOR Magic5 Lite and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So open first the settings, tap to more connections and click to NFC section. To turn off or turn on NFC option, you should click to the switcher. You could also switch default app if you get another one, not only the Google Pay. And here we got also the settings which we could change. And if you wanna also just know the second way how we can do that, you should open the control panel and somewhere find here NFC icon. If you don't see this icon here, click to this edit icon, and in this down section you'll see this option. Hold it and drag it to your panel. Just first you should remove one from the options tab, hold and drag it. And now by opening the control panel shortcuts, you could use the NFC option also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.